Alright, so Aiden and I are making Cinnamon Toast Crunch ice cream today. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So the ingredients for our base, which is a vanilla base, and this would be the same base for probably 90% of all ice creams out there right now, is 1.5 cups of half and half, 2 cups or a full pint of heavy whipping cream, 1.5 cups of whole milk, which I have soaking in cereal, in the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal to get all the flavor, and then I'll strain 1.5 cups of whole milk out of that to add to the base. 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla, which you want to get the good stuff, the pure stuff. It was $28 for an 8-ounce bottle, but I'll use this many times. And then 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which I'll use later on, but all this stuff here goes in with the base. So start by adding this full pint of heavy whipping cream. Go. 1.5 cups of half and half. Without making a big mess.
Yeah, don't make a big mess. Never do that.
And always use a little bit more milk than you plan on using in the end, because the cereal will soak up probably half of it, and you're going to pitch that. So.
Why did you have to pitch it?
In there, but I'm only using 1.5 cups of that, and I've got 2 cups there, so I'll leave 1/2 cup. Add my 1 cup of sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of pure vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's swirl that together.
Looks just like cinnamon.
You're going to try and whip it up, and then I get to mess with my new toy, which is this special bowl that has to sit in the
That
freezer.
goes inside here.
It has to sit in the freezer for 24 hours before you can even use it. And then this paddle.
It's gonna be loud.
Then it just goes like that. And it drops down.
Stirring a lot.
I just pour this base in. And then I let that go. And then while that's working, I take some cereal, Heat up a frying pan to medium high. Add some cereal. And then we take that quarter cup of light brown sugar, put that in the pan, and I'll keep stirring that around with the cereal. And the purpose of that is it gives us coating on the cereal so that when I crunch it up and mix it in with the ice cream, it doesn't get all soggy mixed in. This keeps it nice and keeps the cereal crunchy within the cereal, or within the ice cream.
This is a mixer.
So
Big that
I'll just stir
all the
and coat
food.
the cereal with all that. I'll add a little bit more. But that brown sugar will melt and just evenly coat the cereal and give it like a candy coating. So we'll come back after this is done and show you what it looks like in the end.